Welcome back, my friends, and welcome to the first of these personal project update videos. As part of the new direction for this channel, as part of wanting to promote creativity in myself and others, I'll be putting out these videos not on a schedule necessarily, but whenever I have something to show. I'm a software engineer, but I have not worked in games, in gaming. I have never worked in gaming, but I've always been interested in games and making games, and have wanted to make my own games. So while I have started many projects, I have never finished any. And I'm hoping that by doing this, maybe that will change, and I'll be able to bring you all along with me, and we'll be able to see what I'm working on and what kind of progress I've made, how things have changed over time. And hopefully that will keep me motivated to keep working on one project instead of jumping to a new, more interesting project every now and again. And hopefully this will inspire you all to make some of your own projects, and then maybe I can share those and we can build something here. I look forward to seeing where this goes. Anyway, so on the screen, what you're looking at here is the Godot game engine. I'm sure we'll be seeing a lot of this, and once I get into making tutorials, I'm sure it'll show up time and time again. So what is this game that I'm working on here? It's tentatively titled Space Smuggler, and it's got kind of a lot of aspects to it. Honestly, it's probably a much bigger project than I should be focusing on right now, but it has a couple different modes or phases to it, and each of those has different play styles. So it's got a little bit of a space trading game, it's got a little bit of a shoot 'em up section, and it has some dungeon crawling aspects, and we'll look at each of these kind of as I develop them. What you're seeing here is about a day of progress. I've been on vacation for the past week. I made this the day before we left. Haven't worked on it since, and so let's see where I got with it. So if this part I'm working on here is, I decided to start with the shoot 'em up section. This is similar to games like Tyrion or Galaga. You're in a ship and you'll be able to fly through this area and shoot things. So if I fire it up, you can see the progress I've made. We've got this lovely programmer art. And you've got your ship, and you can see some grass and some paths scrolling by. You can move around. Up here in the upper left, you can see my acceleration and my velocity, both of which are capped to prevent me from just going crazy fast. And then I've got collision along the edges of the screen, so you can't go outside the screen. As you can see, the world is ending here. It is a scrolling world, but it is not infinitely scrolling, and that's by design. I want these levels to be of fixed length with interesting stuff in them, so they won't scroll infinitely. Except maybe where we might have space levels, those might scroll infinitely. I don't know yet. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not a lot else to show, I don't think. So anytime I work on this some more and make some more progress, we'll record another one of these videos, and I'll show off what progress I've made. So if you have any questions or thoughts, or there's anything you'd like to see, let me know in the comments. Constructive and critical feedback is always welcome as well. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit that like button. That's the best way to support this channel and our journey for creativity. And if you didn't enjoy it, that's okay. There's a dislike button there too. I like to know either way. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time.